Hi guys, it's Friday and that means it's time for a Bare Necessities video vlog. Today I have some third graders, so tell me who you are.
Cameron,
Macy,
Weston, Lincoln.
Some of you are from Miss Frazier's and some of you are from Miss Williams, correct? Okay, so they were just telling me some of the things they've been doing this week in math. Lincoln, you're going to talk about math. What are some things you're doing in math this week?
Parentheses.
Learning how to use parentheses in math? Mm-hmm. Yes, and what did you learn about you putting parentheses around something in math, Weston?
How to solve a correction.
How to solve it?
Problem, right?
Perfect. Macy, what did you tell me you guys have been doing in reading?
we're like writing our own Cinderella story.
Writing your own Cinderella story, correct? And what does a Cinderella story have to have? Cameron?
It has to have like treated poorly and a magical item and a magical like person that makes them like try to go to like a ball and stuff.
So like the fairy godmother
Yeah.
in a real story, correct?
Yeah.
Cameron, I know you love to write. Is your story pretty long?
Yeah. It's not that long. It's 2 pages, but I didn't want to make it that long.
Yeah.
Because I knew I was gonna have to like work really hard to do this.
It's a lot of writing, isn't it?
Yeah.
But I know you love to write. All right, but you also told me, gentlemen, something you're doing in science. What have you been doing? Tell me again.
Movement.
Movement. You started movement in
Forces.
science today. Forces.
Yeah.
Yes. So what did you do with that, Weston? Like, what were you talking about with movement and forces?
We did like magnets,
Ooh.
and we had a south side and a north side, and we put north and south together and it stick, and then we switched it around.
Awesome.
And it sticked.
All right. Now, somebody tell me, Macy, can you tell me what was that big, humongous thing we had in the 21st century run this last week?
Planetarium.
We had the planetarium. Mrs. Lane brought all the classes into the planetarium, right? And what did you learn about in the planetarium? What did you see on the roof?
Space.
Space. We saw stars. We saw constellations. Did you see planets?
Yeah.
Yes.
Way.
Anybody? The Milky Way. Very good. What was one thing you learned from your time in the planetarium? Anything you can think of? Yeah.
When you are in the rocket ship, it looks like you're going really slow, but you're actually going really fast.
Pretty cool, huh? Link?
It takes like a couple days, 3 days to get on a planet.
Interesting. Was it fun? Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay. That was kind of a special thing. We get to do it 1 week a year, right? Mm-hmm. Next week, this 21st century, will have something else in it. Does anyone know? They're setting it up right now. Weston? Literary? Is it literary? Anyway, it's the what? The book fair?
Yeah.
It's a brand new book fair we've never had before. We've only had Scholastic, correct?
Literati.
There it is. Literati. That's right. Okay, and the other thing next week, do you guys know what else is next week?
No.
Parent-teacher conferences.
Oh yeah.
Parent-teacher conferences on Tuesday and Thursday, and then no school on Friday. And then what's the next week?
Spring break.
Spring break. Anybody ready for spring break?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. Hopefully the temperature will help, right? Or cooperate. All right, so how do we end the Bare Necessities? Anybody know?
Go Bears.
Go Bears, exactly. Ready? 1, big and loud. 1, 2, 3.
Go Bears!
Oh, that was not big and loud. Come on, let me hear some school spirit here. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go Bears!
Much better. See you next week, guys.